we've reached the million mark, which is a psychological bragging rights mark, as it were. But I think the most important statistic, even more than the million mark, is the fact that we will be represented in every legislature. That is priceless. The fact that we will be present in every legislature and in the National Assembly means that we, across the whole country, we can have a footprint and a foundation to take our message forward in Parliament.
During President Jacob Zuma's visit to the results centre last night, he chose not to greet the EFF party representatives. What do you feel? How do you feel about that?
No, we don't feel anything about that. I mean, we're not going to be in this for greeting and kissing. We're here to represent the plight of people who are, in serious dire straits economically. So if in the process that annoys people, the more they're annoyed, the more we think it means our message is being effective.